Okay, 2019 Toyota Corolla, and I'm doing the hood on it. The hood's just about done. I've got two dents on the other side over here, and you can see my pinstriping. It came out good. It came out good. That's where the great big dents are on the back of it right there, and see my pinstripe. There's barely any wave in it, so. And it's really good. It came out good. I'm really happy with it. And so yeah, been working on I've worked on it, man, all afternoon. I've got two over here that I'm gonna have to on the corner that I'll glue pop tomorrow, and it's about the end of the day for the body shop. And but you can see where those big dents were. And so let's see, right in here, yeah, right in there. A little bit of a wave. There's a little bit of a low. If I come in tomorrow and I see it, I can get it. Otherwise, it's it rolls. This whole panel will roll right in here. So, and but overall, the whole panel it's good. It's good. It's an A. I get an A for it, so I'll give myself an A for it. It was hit pretty bad. So anyway, 2000 Paintless Dent repair, 2019 Toyota Corolla.